The best Raiz Invest optimization secret is not about chasing market hype or constantly changing portfolios. It is about controlling contribution flow, allocation discipline, and time exposure to compound growth in dollars. Raiz works best when treated as a long-term automated investment engine, not a short-term profit tool. The first optimization secret is aggressive consistency. Small, irregular deposits slow growth. Regular daily or weekly contributions create momentum. A $5 daily contribution equals about $150 monthly and $1,800 yearly. Over 5 years, with average market returns, that steady flow compounds faster than occasional large deposits because capital enters the market continuously. The second secret is portfolio alignment with risk tolerance, not emotion. Growth-focused portfolios outperform conservative ones over time, but only when held through market downturns. Switching portfolios during volatility locks in losses. Staying invested during dips allows new contributions to buy assets at lower prices, increasing long-term dollar value. The third secret is minimizing withdrawals. Every dollar withdrawn breaks the compounding cycle. A $1,000 withdrawal today can cost over $4,000 in 10 years, assuming modest annual returns. Treat the account as untouchable capital, not a savings wallet. The fourth secret is time in the market, not timing the market. Waiting for the right moment delays growth. Even imperfect entry beats staying out. Market corrections are not threats, they are accumulation opportunities when contributions continue without interruption. The final optimization secret is ignoring short-term balance fluctuations. Raiz is designed for gradual wealth building, not daily balance checking. Growth happens quietly over years. Investors who focus on process instead of performance outperform those who react emotionally. Raiz Invest rewards discipline, patience, and automation. When contributions are consistent, portfolios remain stable, withdrawals are avoided, and time is respected, small dollar amounts transform into meaningful long-term wealth.